If your hands tend to get cold relatively easily, then consider picking up the Ocoopa Fast Charging Hand Warmer. Today we're unboxing and reviewing this product to see if this is something that you may be interested in picking up. I picked this particular product up because when I am out and about in the winter or when I'm out skiing, my hands tend to get relatively cold. What I like about this particular product is that not only is it a hand warmer, but it also serves as a charger for my phone or any other device. It comes with a nice pouch and it comes with the cord to be able to charge along with a little loop that you can be able to have this around your arm again if you were going to be skiing or outdoors or anything else. The great thing about this product is the fact that it lasts about 8 to 15 hours on one charge. So you can be outdoors pretty much all day and be keeping your hands warm with this particular device. You have 3 different settings, low, medium, and high, to make sure that you're not burning your hands with it, which you won't, but it'll make sure you have comfortable warmth with it. And the fact that it takes about 3.5 hours to fully recharge the device. What I also like about this product is that it is ergonomically designed. The upper part is wide, the lower part is narrow, so it makes it very suitable for grasping. And as you can see, it feels very comfortable and natural in the palm of the hand itself. This particular product also measures at 4 inches long, 2 inches wide, and about 1 inch or so thick. So not a very big product. We're going to test out now how this powers up my tablet. So I just plugged in the USB-C section into one side and then the USB directly into my tablet itself. And if you can see on the upper right hand corner, you can see that it is actually powering the device itself. So it does work to power up a tablet, your phone, or anything else. If you're looking for a product that allows you to have 2-in-1 functionalities, one keeping your hands warm and the other one powering up your devices, then consider picking up this product. Hope this was helpful in making your purchasing decision.